So hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a very effective things that is important for each and everybody. That call is how to we can learn lot of vocabularies and why vocabularies is very important for us. Yes, it is very important topic for us because whenever we want to speak English, we need to some need vocabularies and we don't know which vocabulary I should learn and how we can use lot of vocabularies. So today I will tell you everything about starting to end how we can learn vocabularies step by step. So let's jump on the video. My friends, I will tell you about everything myself and how I learned lot of vocabularies and how you can learn, okay? So, first of all, I want to talk about myself, how I learned vocabularies like basic to advanced level. Yes, you know what, whenever I wanted to before speak, like for I don't know which vocabulary I want to use, but whenever I just started learn vocabularies, so I learned lot of method to learn easy way how I will do that. So I get to know lot of things how I can do this, how I can learn lot of vocabularies. Yes. So first of all, what I did I took a book. Yes, I took, and then I highlight the vocabularies, which vocabulary I don't know, and then I try to learn the vocabularies. Yes, and then after learning, I used. Yes, because whenever we don't use, then we can forget. So it is very important to after writing and we will have to use also because we will listen and again starting so ends the word and then I learned vocabularies. First of all, you will have to learn verbs. Yes, you had me right because verbs is very important while speaking because lots of verbs is need to in speaking sentences because sentences is becomes into the verbs, so it is very important to learn all verbs. So I also learned, you will have to also learn because while speaking English we don't need to use advanced vocabularies, we will have to use simple vocabularies because it makes our language easy and best. Okay, my friend, I will tell you the method that can you use the vocabularies, how you will use verbs. Okay, so first of all, you will have to take a one verb that let's take a one verb like read, and then you will have to make sentences about everything like past sentences all and future sentences all and a present, like depends on the verbs. Every sentences you will have to make that can help you sharp your mind and sharp your tongue also. Okay, it will help you to improve your communication skill and making the sentence very quickly and very rapidly. So you don't need to worry, if you will do this then you will very become very fluent in this language. So first of all, you will have to say to yourself, I will do this, I will learn 10 vocabularies daily, I will learn 5 vocabularies daily. You will have to say challenge to yourself because until we will not do like that, don't set our goals, so how we can do every day? And then you will have to first of all learn basic vocabularies because it is important. I tell you the before, but I'm telling you again and again because it's very best thing, because lot of people running towards the advanced vocabularies and then they try to speak, they get stuck and they don't know, they forget the vocabularies on the right time. So we will have to think about it. Okay, we will have to use simple thing and a simple language, focus very lucid language, so it is very important. If we will so we will not get stuck, it is very important thing for us. Like I am telling the my experience because how much I learned and how much time I invest in this language, so I learned these small habits, but it is very important to solve. You know what, when I was learning, then it's one problem happened with me. First day which vocabulary I learned, then second day I something I forget. So I what I did, I tried to use vocabulary in my daily life. Yes, you will have to also do the same, then you will not forget the vocabularies and you will learn very basic method, and every day you will have to speak and you will use have to just use. You don't need to waste lot of times whenever you will read the books. You will have to just write down lot of vocabularies. No, you will have to just one day 10 vocabularies write down in your pages, and you will have to, my friends, you will have to learn, try to learn that vocabularies and try to use that vocabularies. Okay, it's it's the best method to reading vocabularies every day. You know what, while speaking English you don't need to use heavy vocabularies and advanced things. We just need to simple things like we need to, this is my hand, this is, what is this, like that sentences we can use. And this is English, this is English. We don't know what is English. If we can communicate to anyone, if we can describe the things, if we are able to understanding the front of the people, then we can say to ourselves we can communicate, we can speak English, I can speak English. Because when we say every day, then confident comes naturally. What we want also confident. You know what, why people are learning English? I know lots of people wants to become personality, and lots of people wants to become confidentful, and they wants to communicate, and lots of people wants to go another country. That's why English is became very important for us, and in this time also very important. So everybody is learning. I am telling you the how you can do this very easily. You know what? You are not alone. Everyone is learning. So you know what? If you don't have time, my friends, then you can continue this journey. Don't stop it. Okay? If you have 10 minutes, then it's okay. You can utilize that time, like you can practice 5 minutes and listen 5 minutes and write down 5 minutes. And if you are doing 5 minutes, then you are doing best for yourself, and you are not stopping, and you are learning, you are improving every day. Okay, everything is, you can do this if you are doing only 5 minutes. If you have lot of time, then you can speak hours and hours. You can do practice at the morning time, at the night time, and you can walk on the roof like me, and you can speak. So it is the best thing that you will have to follow. I'm also following. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.